Hey guys, it's B-Dawg here, and today I'm just gonna go through with this one time, and one time only, because I had to do an SMG4. So later, after that, I'll do tricks with the guy later today. So, we gotta react to SMG4's new... So, it's time for 2019 video of SMG4. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. We gotta react to SMG4's first 2019 video. Mario goes to the fridge to get milk. A glass of milk, sorry, a glass of milk. So, you ready? Let's get to it. 3, 2, 1, and let's get this over with. Alright, good. Now we can do it. Oh, okay.
That was lots of fun.
Hey, I'm a thirsty.
Oh no!
You ran out of milk.
Uh-oh. No more milky.
I now know what I have to do.
Oh, that's not a bad idea. There he goes.
Moving on the ground, moving on the ground. Alrighty. Oh, howdy there, Mario. What's up? Hello. Eto, tutto lavato, l'abito. Yahoo! Oh, the milk section's right over there. Yippee! Texas Sonaki!
Ooh, there's Toad. Yep. And Punk.
Guys, you dropped something. You might want to pick it up. Okay, don't worry about it.
Oh, there's Donkey Kong. How you doing? And there they go.
No.
Milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah. Go easy.
What?
Go easy.
What? What? I swear I heard my name. There it goes.
No, you don't.
I am lonely.
Yeah, you are.
Go easy.
Hey, baby.
Wow.
Oh, no.
Yep, there goes all the milk.
Do you have any?
Milky? No.
Mamma mia. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, brother.
I got it.
Let's do this Mario style.
Mamma mia.
Just walk into any store, avoid security cameras, and just start taking things.
Wow! Mario!
Wow.
Mamma mia.
What?
What?
Yep. Yep, there he is with the gun.
All right, here we go.
Mamma mia.
Alright.
Yeah! Ha ha ha!
Mario's.
Winner.
Just got a little bit harder. Come here, fishy.
Ooh.
Drop your weapon! Drop your weapon now!
Ooh.
There goes Mario's phone.
Mario!
Okay.
Eto, tu non lavato, l'ho visto! Ah!
Ah!
Whoa! Yippee!
And here they are.
No!
Yeah, yep. They failed. Their plan just backfired.
Jump right there!
Pervert.
Luigi.
I choose you!
Ooh. Ouch.
Stand back! I'm warning ya!
He's right behind you. What the How is a piece? Okay. And yup. Ooh, ouch. Oosh.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Steve.
Oh.
Well, say goodbye to that one.
Bye!
Wow! Ow, woo, woo, woo. Wow!
Oh no.
Oh, no! Oh, no! Mama!
Nope. Okay then. Ah,
Come natuturo sa rebaro.
poor guy.
Hi, come natuturo sa rebaro. Uchi-guchi.
That cow is.
Oh, yeah.
Go, Luigi.
Hello.
Eto, tu non lavato, l'ho visto.
Okay.
Hey, Stinky.
Yep, there he goes.
Mamma mia.
Holy shit! I'm gonna milk you so hard.
Uh-oh.
Ah, crap.
Not the police.
Come natuturo sa rebaro. Go,
There they
Luigi.
goes.
Nintendo. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go. No. Okay. What?
It's the real Mario.
Praise Jesus. You should face up to the consequences of your poor decision.
Yeesh.
Hey, why are you running?
You're getting seven across.
Luigi!
Oh, hell no.
Yep, that cow turned into this.
What?
Sorry. Yep, there it goes.
Oh no!
How do you get his hat back? Oh, it's a war.
And Luigi! Yoo-hoo!
Okay, I got enough from that. Ooh. Uh-oh.
Oh, shit.
Kids gone died in there.
Boom.
Oh, wow. Okay, bye-bye.
There you go.
War. War never changes.
Yeah, I agreed. Yeah, there you go.
Alrighty!
Alrighty then.
Go!
Alright, that's the first video ever, actually. Well, everyone, that's for that first video ever in SMG4 2019. And that means I just gotta get on with this and just flies away. So that means that's it for this video. You can check out SMG4, check out my channel, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. For me on Nintendo Switch, we use Snapchat. Go to Animal Crossing New Horizons, go to my Dream Masters down below description. Animal Crossing DLC out since last year. Mario Kart DLC's gotta be out a year in Saturday. And then Nintendo Switch Sports has gotta be out a year next month. And then Fall Guys gotta be out in 3 months in this year in 3 months. And Splatoon 3 out gotta be out a year and 6 months. So then check out my Discord server, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next Jacksepticeye reading your comments episode 88. So then, peace.
Oh, there is a doll in there, isn't he? Oh, you beat me.
What?
Yeah, you could have been fed to the chipper.
Let me get him. Oh, he's stuck in there.
Tight little room, isn't it?
Alright, dude, toss Ken on the bed since you don't trust me, your best friend.
I saw a
I'm
cat.
gonna toss him on that bed because that's where Chef Pee Pee sleeps. So I'm gonna toss him on the top bunk.
Okay then, whatever works, dude.
All right.
Oh.
Why did you throw him in the ceiling fan?
I didn't mean to. I was trying to toss him on the top bunk. The ceiling fan got in the way.
You obviously were trying to take off his head.
No, listen, Joseph. Everything we do, Ken almost gets destroyed. So I think we should just put him on the couch and not touch him all weekend.
Yeah, you're right. That's a good plan, dude.